How does an NVMe SSD controller work? Imagine your computer is a busy city and the SSD controller is the traffic cop managing all the data moving around. When you click to open a game or load a file, the controller is the one directing how fast that data gets where it needs to go. An NVMe, or non-volatile memory express, is a protocol made specifically for fast flash storage devices like SSDs. It lets these drives talk to your computer using multiple lanes of the PCI Express interface, which is like having several highways for data to travel on at once. The controller itself is a tiny chip on the SSD that acts as the brain of the drive. Its main job is to manage data flow between the computer and the flash memory chips inside the SSD. It handles a lot of tasks behind the scenes, like encrypting data for security, evenly wearing out the memory cells so the drive lasts longer, and fixing errors if something goes wrong during data transfer. When you want to access a game or a file, the controller receives your request from the computer's central processing unit. It then interprets what needs to be done, whether that's reading data from the flash memory or writing new data to it. The controller fetches the data from the memory chips and sends it back through the PCI Express lanes to your system. Because NVMe drives use multiple lanes, they can transfer data much faster than older SATA drives, which only used one lane. This speed boost is why NVMe SSDs are so popular for gaming. They cut down load times significantly, so games start quicker and you spend less time waiting. The controller also manages how data is written to the drive, making sure it's done efficiently so the SSD keeps performing well over time. For gamers who want faster load times and smoother system performance, an NVMe SSD with a good controller is a smart choice. Some high-end models even support RAID configurations, which combine multiple drives into one to push performance even further. In simple terms, the NVMe SSD controller is like a super-efficient traffic manager that keeps data flowing smoothly and quickly. It makes sure your games load faster, your system responds quicker, and your storage works at its best. Without it, even the fastest flash memory wouldn't reach its full potential.